Hello, welcome back. Today I want to show you how the remote maintenance on the device is working. So before we can start with that, we need to activate the remote access in the device itself. Therefore, we need the IP address of the device to enter it. So we have this small program, IP Finder, to find the IP address and to enter the device. We start the IP Finder and we directly see the IP address of the device. It will automatically open your standard browser and you have to enter your credentials to enter the device. Now we go to the tab Basic. After you click this, you will find in the list the so-called App Control Server Remote Access. It should be activated. If not, activate it and save the settings. Now it's time to go back to the Pro Service Portal. There you click on Details and then you can start the remote maintenance of the device. After you have confirmed that you want to start the session, the Pro Service Portal will try to connect to the device. If it has connected, you only have to again put in your credentials and you have access to the device, but now remotely. The session is started and you can also end it by clicking on the End Session. All the information about how long and what you did can be stored in your Pro Service Portal, but will also be available for the end customer. He or she can then see what you have done, and it's easy then for you to use this information for billing. I hope this session was helpful again. I thank you for your attention. Until next time. Bye.